What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Hope everyone had a good week. It's Saturday once again, as the filming of this, October 22nd. We got one more weekend before Halloween. So I'm going to be meeting up with Batrican a little bit later here. We're going to go off to a cemetery and we're going to go check that out. It's going to be, going to get there at dark, so we're going to try to see what we can find and see what we're going to do an evening investigation here. So this is going to be cool. But right now, for this week, that video is going to be for next weekend. That one's because next weekend for Halloween, the weekend right before Halloween, is going to be pretty busy. All next week we have the whole fam's got streams going on. So yeah, be sure to tune in to next week. I know Batrican's on Tuesday. I'll be on Wednesday. Then I'll put the whole schedule up. You'll see that on my channel very soon here. I'll put all that up, and actually I'll even make it part of this video. So I'll attach that too. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to come and check out my live stream this coming Wednesday. I think that's October 26th. So I'll be doing pirates. I'm going to do like a pirate trivia, so I'll be dressed as pirates. So it's going to be kind of fun. So we'll have a good time. So I hope you guys can join us. But right now, I'm back over at my father-in-law's house to finish up that job I did last week. So I'm over here right now to do that. Get back home, get cleaned up, and head out and go meet up with Batrican. But yeah, so this weekend I have a video I wanted to show you. So as I'm doing this job at my father-in-law's house, I'm going to bring you this car show that I went to right in the community here. It's a pretty big event. A lot of people, draws a lot of people from all the other towns around. So it's a pretty good show. But check this out, this video, and I'll be back after this job, and we'll see Batrican a little bit later too. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. I'll show you something little to do on a Sunday. Really close to home. Didn't have to travel very far. Be home in a couple minutes. So that was pretty cool. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sunday adventure. Please like and share. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, or check out my channel. I'm not asking you to subscribe, I'm not begging you to subscribe, but check out my other videos. If you like what you see, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my newest adventures. But I love each and every one of you guys. Stay tuned. I have much more adventures coming up in October here, and end of September and October. But more adventures await. So gonna have lots of fun, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I am finished over at my father-in-law's house. Went home, got myself ready, drove over. I'm now at Batrican's house, just waiting for him to come out. So we're just waiting on him right now. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed that video. The video where me and Batrican are filming tonight will be up next Sunday, Halloween, the Sunday right before Halloween. Be sure to be watching now the fans panels. Like I said, I'll have that video posted up too as well on my channel, and you can also check out all the Batrican's channel. I'm sure he'll have his notifications up as well, and Amy and Patrick and Melissa and Laura and Jared, April. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun week. So it's pretty interesting costumes. I'm still unsure about a couple of them, but I'm going to try my best. And here's our famous YouTuber, Batrican here. Yeah, if you're not subscribed to Batrican, be sure to go check out his channel and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to check out the rest of my content. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, we're going to be off to the cemetery now, and yeah, I'll fill you in when we get there. Yeah, I know, I saw that last time I was here. So, we're back at Evangelical Cemetery. We're going to be here into the dark. We're going to do a little investigation at night, so that's what the video is going to be about. But just let you know here, me and Batrican have arrived at our little location, and we're just taking a little walk right now. So we're gonna get this done. We'll be back soon. Alright guys, we just got out of the cemetery. It's dark now. Batrican's over here taking some pictures. It is a pretty cool place, but be excited. We did some necrophonics and some necrodice, so be sure to tune in next week and check that out, guys. It's gonna be pretty cool. And it's gonna be Halloween, so that's gonna be fun. So anyway, I did finish the Tombstone. I got that out on the lawn, so I'll show you that when I get back home too. And yeah, we'll go from there, man. We'll see what else we can get into tonight. I know we gotta get Batrican back home, and so he can spend time with his wife. I gotta get back home and spend time with my wife, and I gotta get home and start preparing for next week. I gotta get all my questions for the trivia game. I gotta get my green screen going and make sure, test everything out, and get some backgrounds going for all the events next week. But, yeah, a lot of adventures ahead, so let's get this ball rolling and get back home. Hey guys, made it back home. Actually, I dropped Batrican off a little while ago. I got back home and went down back to my father-in-law's house, had dinner over there. Now I'm back at home, and go show you the tombstone now. Hopefully it shows up good. Let's see if I turn off this light. So we got the solar light on there. So yeah, it looks good in person here. I'm not sure how it's showing up on the little screen there on my camera. But I like it, looks good in person. Spooky cemetery. So yeah, guys, I had a good day today. Night's not over, of course. Still got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta get my turn this light back on. Yeah. I gotta start working on gotta get stuff ready for my live stream. That's gonna be really exciting. I hope you guys can join me. I'll get my community post and I'll get the video up on that to remind you. I'll probably get that up hopefully tonight before you see this video, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I'll have that video from the cemetery that me and Batrican did tonight. I'll have that up on Sunday night at 9 o'clock next weekend. So be sure to check that out. But, yeah, that place, that cemetery is definitely kind of weird. Do feel something? Feel like a weight or something on there. It's heavy. I guess a heavy feeling when you're there. But glad we got there. Got to do a little bit of investigation at night, doing the necrophonics. I'd like to try and even go back maybe another time, but to take a lot of still pictures, so I gotta go check through those. Yeah, a lot of stuff to do and more adventures ahead, so stay tuned, guys. Adventures await. But I want to thank you all once again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm working towards that 1,000 subscriber mark, so we can get this channel monetized and bring you some more epic adventures. Get out and do a lot more stuff. But anyway, I love you, each and every one of you. See y'all next week. Bye.